iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za. Stellenbosch 0, Kaizer Chiefs 2 in the DStv Premiership on a Wednesday evening. Kaizer Chiefs back-to-back wins in the DStv Premiership for the first time this season. Of course, only game number 4 or game number 5. Still 80 doors, but at least they're picking up points on the road as well. Very important. Man of the match today is given to Brendan Peterson. Couple of very important saves. Goals from Usaile and scored the first goal. Pule Mmodi scored the first goal as well. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what do you make of the game, sir?
Yes, sir. Ngibulise Justice Shabalala ngibulise ya ngoba sibulisile ku first game fethu ya I will greet again mara njoba ngisho uTsovilakazi naye umntana kaChrist bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV fighting no one try to fix South African football. 2 chances, 2 goals from Kaizer Chiefs. Truly speaking, one of the best goal this season mfana ikorile so far, one of the best goal. Good set piece from Umtu Shabalala. Brilliant cross from Gusaile and brilliant finish Gulas Pule as well. But when you check the game, still not convinced. I'm not too sure how they score. But well done to Kaizer Chiefs. I think they show to win back-to-back 2 matches. We need to give credit. Spanige. I think in most Komanyama games, they need good win. Sometimes good kanjani, it doesn't matter. Though when you go to a game in Jangalabu Sundowns, Gulaba Zuk Testakon. So Ekemina today in Gulego, what Kaizer Chiefs did, I think they truly speaking, Stellenbosch battling speed, both teams. Chiefs approach this game in speed, Stellenbosch approach the game in speed, coming a face off. Stellenbosch bona ngeke uqale moving speed ufuna ukuyiqeda ngespeed. Kaizer Chiefs they play with speed, but midfield wabo baqala ibhola. I don't understand why starting the ball at the back goalkeeper Simani he played long ball or albuse goalkeeper long ball behind the defense Stellenbosch and then they wanna run. It's not gonna happen because I batholanga mhlambe even if a single player ngikhuluma ngeDebris ngikhuluma ngefirst half uPotsane or Mmodi, they didn't even get those people. So manqala ibhola emuva, let's say in Pasa Msimane or in Pasa yena this guy, what his name, Ditlhokwe. When you play him, you need 2 midfielders which is Castillo no Mart to support le play le uqala eTepek ukulinka ukuthi kube ne attack. So now malizodlala lapha bese bona baveli babheka phambili ipala ama opposition lama opponent ibhola team izoyidominate kanjani game. And then what's a point ukuthi uqala ibhola eTepek, simple, the goalkeeper susi goal kick or whoever Ditloke or Msimanga basusela ibhola goalkeeper mangabe yena akakhona ukhaba. So kule game Kaizer Chiefs truly speaking kulego first half midfield yabo off. Front three, we need to be honest. Mmodi has scored. Omunye muntu mangabu understand the game very well. He scored the brilliant goal, but he was off. Potsane off as well. Ntansane off. We need to be honest. Debris also off in this today's game because Debris he make runs. Nobody is supplying him. 2 midfield Castillo, Nomar, they doing something. Foot in a game and I'm going to right one direction, second direction. So Stellenbosch bona nkuleko they are themselves to play him. But balinde Kaizer Chiefs to score against them because mabaphelele nabo they were not dangerous. They were not penetrating Kaizer Chiefs. Yes, they look like Adams, very good player. Banomthetho they combine kahle ukulinka i-defense yabo balanda ibhola emidli e-defense balinke. When they go up front, final decision yabo it's wrong. Magmele ba pass it, magmele ba cross the ball, they want to shoot. Sometimes they're not even finding each other because of kichimanga speed. Imove uyenze yonke into iqale ngespeed uqede ngespeed. So second half ke balinde njoba ngisho kule game bebangayi behind the Kaizer Chiefs. They look as like a threat, but bebangayi Kaizer Chiefs after scoring, conceding the goal. Kula sebaba i-threat kakhona ngoba emanga check after badlale kahle more than the score by 11. Ku 11 v 11. Yes, they played well. more than lesikhathi ku-11v11 because there was not enough movement kibo. They rely most ku-speed sabo and the better players in the middle umthethwa nayo u-Adams angazi why bebangadlali bacombine more ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs isondele and then so that they can break them. So yonke into speed and then bekunzima ukuthi they can get a goal. Ngeke uqale ngespeed ufuna ukufinisha ngespeed. Badlale kahle mangabe sebathole i-red card. And then it's when they were better. Yeah.
Let's talk about the impact of that red card. Number one, of course, you have 10 men instead of 11. But strangely enough, they were the better team once they were 10 men down as well. Look at that red card, Devon Titus, second yellow of that game. He put himself in trouble there, especially the second one was a definite yellow. What did you make of that decision?
Yeah, it's a red card, truly speaking, especially the second one. First half is questionable, but the second one it is a red card. I don't think I question Agaku because I look a bit debatable, but first one, Jobang issue. Yes, it is debatable. I used to start up feature. It's a red card, and but the that a red card, but it looks like ngati be shorter after these people getting a red card. There was more energy in their players. Kaizer Chiefs drop on kama player, and you know the prize up front. Ufagusaile yes, Ufaganum I mean, okay, the prism keeping the magafagu side, but no side up front conum too. Bayega labantu na 1-man advantage. Why bring them at the back? Angiti uzamuklang this combination. When they lead like this, angitu expect to ba lower dominate game whereby kube another thing about the game management. Let them circulate the ball abo number mart na Castillo. I want to see them more. Ba move nom Tanzania as well. But mangabe they lead 1-0. They can kube ne-game management and then it's a problem to me nkuleko hayi lonke ibhola bazolidlala baliphampelwele ku-goalkeeper. I mean truly speaking masingaba nevar Kaizer Chiefs they got one of the brilliant goal, make no mistake, Mmodi mangamcheck, individual brilliant goal, but it didn't play him, even him.
Yeah, for sure.
Even him, we need to be honest. The boy okay Usaile just came as a sub, Nyagola Upotsane Nagumtanzane as well. So off as well. Wesucheku Martin Castillo. As game all in all, they didn't play. Nkulmanga player, peri domination. When you talk about domination, these are the players that are supposed to be comfortable on the ball, going the defense here. Because the Stellenbosch azange ba offer that much. Okay, goalkeeper sebenzile. Ngale bola la ka Reina zili bola bel dangerous ngilibonile. And other than that, not much. Kutat bam trouble ngikhuluma ngogoalkeeper Kaizer Chiefs. So far I think Kaizer Chiefs they did very well ukuthi banga concede weekend namhlanje back 4 le yabo. Isebenzile and the goalkeeper as well today ngale bhola la ka Renas did very well. Ngikhuluma ngalabantu abala in terms of game management. Ukuya phambili. I mean truly speaking kuleko this team might thola the red card joba ngisho. Might thola red card. They were supposed at least noma kuyi 1-0 the leader 1-0 with a lot of fans like this dominating the game management. So ngendlela abadlala ngayo still ngisay question. I mean ngisay question but compliment to them for winning. I think sometimes it's going to bring, but I'm not too sure these are senior players amanye. I'm not too sure, maybe in future yeah. So baniki benefit of the doubt ukutba win, compliment to them, especially banga concede sabaniki credit ngaloko.
Right, there you go. That's Stellenbosch losing to Kaizer Chiefs at home in the DStv Premiership. Back-to-back wins for Kaizer Chiefs. Also back-to-back wins with clean sheets, and also back-to-back wins with 5 goals as well. In addition to all of that, back-to-back wins with Pule scoring in both matches as well. As bad as his performances are, he is scoring. So you take that with a pinch of salt. iDiskiTV, iDiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.